Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the additional of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, new day in a week, Monday, January the 10th, 2022. We have here an additional with six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 1 star and a binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So only six extra puzzles we have here, and half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But first, we will solve this baby number 3957. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, a 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We will see. We will see. It's the 25 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a 25 printed digits a puzzle is more difficult than a Sudoku with 27 or 26 printed digits. You cannot tell if you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs or hidden numbers. Then you need more time and it's more difficult than with a puzzle with 25. But we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 1 1. We have two twos. We have two three threes. We have four fours. We have two fives. We have four sixes. We have three sevens, three eights, two nines. Okay, so the fours and the six are the most. Let me see if I can place the four. Well, we have a four in this row. First row, four in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the four should be there. Well, I cannot continue with four. Let me see. Well. Yeah. Let me continue with the six then. We have a six in this column, six in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the six should be there. Okay, and then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6 in this row, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 6, so need another number. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For the number 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So, and now, 8, 4, and a 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9. Yeah. 7 in the third row. 7 in. We have 4 sevens. Yeah, overlooked 4 sevens, not 3 sevens. 4 sevens. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7. It should be there. Well. Okay. Yeah. I cannot continue with the 7. How about these two numbers? In the first row for the numbers, so 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. 5. Okay. 5. Then 2, 5, 7, 2. Well. 3. 6. Well, look, in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the last column, so no 6 in this box. Here are 6 in this row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the last column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And then 1, 8, 9, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those, one of those missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, so 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9 are missing. 1 and the 9, here also 1 and the 9. Here in this column also 1 and the 9. 2 boxes, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Alright, 1 and a 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. Okay. Then, let me see. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay. How about? Okay. 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. In the second column, we have also a 3, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this middle row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column and the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. About these 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Also 3 and a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. I'm very surprised with the time, and I like this one. Yes, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary 1 and a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.